Hello and welcome again to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Apache to share files in your office or your local LAN connection. So to do that, we are going to open the control panel. As you can see, I'm using XAMPP over here. XAMPP is really a good software. It provides many services in a single software. If you're using Linux, you can use the Apache services also. It will going to work the same way. So to do that, we're going to start the Apache services first. I have already created a video how to install the XAMPP on Windows and how to create a FTP server also. You can check out those videos in my channel. So right now the Apache is now running. Now we are going to the C drive. On the C drive, you will find a file called XAMPP. Open it. Now we are going to use this folder. Okay, this is the basic Apache file. So if you put your system IP or if you put localhost over here, it will show you this by default Apache page. Now we are going to delete this file. So as you can see, it's saying that no, not found. The request URL was not found on this server. Over here, I have some multiple files as you can see. So I'm going to copy some of the files and we're going to paste those files on this folder that I have mentioned. So like this. Now if you access this, localhost, as you can see, it's saying all the files. If you wanted to download any of the files, you can just simply click over here. So I'm going to download this file. So if you click on that file, it will ask you where you want to save it. So I'm going to save it on this folder. This folder is empty. So as you can see, it's downloaded. So now let me show you. Okay, as you can see, this is the file. We can also download other files the same way like this. Okay, so as you can see, this is the way to use Apache to share files in your local internet connection in your LAN. So if you find this video any helpful, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and I'm going to see you to the next video. Thank you.